The United States Air Force is the most robust, well-equipped, and powerful Air Force in the world, with the most fighters, attack aircraft, aerial special mission aircraft, tanker aircraft, and helicopters by an incredibly wide margin. The U.S. Air Force is a mighty force, not only because of its aircraft numbers, but also due to the vast array of capabilities that can be loaded into each individual airframe, particularly where they are most needed. The fighters and bombers are essential for delivering lethal explosions and winning wars, and the U.S. Air Force ensures that they have the most impressive capabilities of all. Fighter aircraft establish air dominance through various means such as air-to-air combat, interception, and air-to-ground attacks. The primary objective of these aircraft is to ensure the freedom of movement for operators and friendly forces in executing strategic and tactical operations. The U.S. Air Force boasts some of the most dominant fighter models in the world. Here are a few examples. F22 Raptor. The F22 Raptor is both lethal and stealthy, making it the world's stealthiest fighter. It was introduced in 2005 as the world's first fifth-generation fighter and has since dominated aerial warfare. Its impact is still felt almost 2 decades later. This fighter is so unique that there is a federal law prohibiting its sale or export to any other country on the planet. Its exceptional status is due to an array of unparalleled capabilities that are expertly crafted into the fighter's airframe. The Raptor is a single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather stealth tactical fighter aircraft that can reach a top speed of Mach 2.25, fly up to 2,000 miles, and reach a flight ceiling of 65,000 feet. These impressive capabilities are due to its power plant, which consists of 2 thrust-vectoring Pratt & Whitney F119 PW100 augmented turbofans that can produce up to 70,000 pound-force of thrust. The Raptor has the power to easily cut through the skies and eliminate targets with its 480-round 20mm M61A2 Vulcan rotary cannon and up to 20,000 pounds of missiles and bombs. It is worth noting that the F-22 Raptor is the most expensive fighter in history, with a unit cost of $350 million. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 Lightning II is the world's second fifth-generation fighter, after the Raptor. It is a family of stealthy, single-seat, single-engine, all-weather, multi-role fighters. The family includes 3 members: the carrier-based F-35C for the Navy, the short takeoff and vertical landing F-35B for the Marine Corps, and the conventional F-35A for the U.S. Air Force. The F-35 is widely considered the most advanced fighter aircraft in the world. The F-35's avionics suite and sensors enable it to detect targets from long distances, well before the targets are aware of being targeted. By processing data collected through these sensors, the fighter can create an incredibly precise tactical map of the battlefield and make informed decisions based on it. The F-35 Lightning II can also share pictures with friendly aircraft that are flying with limited visibility and direct their operations. It is the ultimate battle manager. However, it is also a destructive and lethal machine. The fighter is equipped with a 25mm, 180-round GAU-22A 4-barrel rotary cannon, 10 different types of missiles, and multiple conventional and nuclear bombs, giving it a total payload capacity of 18,000 pounds. The fighter is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F135 PW100 afterburning turbofan. With a thrust of up to 43,000 pound force, this engine can propel the F-35 to a top speed of Mach 1.6, a flight ceiling of 50,000 feet, and a maximum range of 1,700 miles. Currently, over 860 F-35s are in operation across multiple air forces worldwide, making it the most widely used fifth-generation stealth fighter in the world. F-15 Eagle. The F-15 Eagle, the forerunner of the F-22 Raptor, is one of the most successful fighter aircraft in recent history, with over 100 combat victories and 0 losses. This achievement is due to its many air dominance features and superior maneuverability resulting from its low weight-to-area ratio and high thrust-to-weight ratio. The twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter was manufactured by McDonnell Douglas now part of Boeing. The F15 Eagle is a versatile aircraft that can perform both air superiority and ground attack missions. It has been utilized in various operations over the past 47 years, with a top speed of Mach 2.5, a ferry range of 3,500 miles, and a service ceiling of 65,000 feet. The fighter is powered by two Pratt & Whitney F100 PW220 afterburning turbofans that can generate up to 23,770 pound-force of power with afterburners. The F-15 is equipped with an M61A1 Vulcan 6-barrel rotary cannon and can carry up to 16,000 pounds of missiles to neutralize threats. A total of 1,198 F-15s of various models have been manufactured. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon, also known as the Viper, is a multi-role fighter jet developed by General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin, in the United States. It first entered service in 1978 and has since become one of the most widely used fighter aircraft in the world, with over 4,500 units produced. This agile and versatile aircraft is known for its exceptional maneuverability, high speed, and impressive combat capabilities. It is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F100 turbofan engine, which allows it to reach speeds exceeding Mach 2. The F-16 is equipped with a wide range of weapon systems, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and precision-guided munitions, making it a formidable force in both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat missions. The F-16 has been operated by numerous air forces around the world, including the United States Air Force, NATO allies, and other countries in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Its combat record is impressive, with numerous successful engagements in various conflicts and operations. Overall, the F-16 Fighting Falcon is a legendary fighter jet that has earned its reputation as a reliable, versatile, and lethal aircraft in the skies. Its iconic design and combat prowess make it a symbol of air superiority and a cornerstone of modern air forces worldwide. NGAD Fighter, the Next Generation Air Dominance, is the future fighter of the U.S. Air Force, designed to replace the F-22 Raptor. Therefore, the NGAD fighter must surpass the F-22 in both literal and figurative senses, taking frontline fighter jet operations to new heights. The NGAD fighter is the focal point of a program designed to develop a comprehensive range of next-generation technologies, such as weapons, sensors, engines, networking capabilities, and battle management capabilities. Additionally, the NGAD fighter itself will incorporate a suite of next-generation technologies. To maximize stealth, the fighter has an overall triangular shape, holds its payload internally, and has no vertical stabilizers. This design is unprecedented in fighter history. The NGAD fighter is constantly upgradable and has a large size, allowing for massive payloads of a new spectrum of weapons and propulsion. These weapons range from newer electronic warfare systems to directed energy weapons, and loyal CCA wingmen fly alongside. The fighter's propulsion system will utilize adaptive cycle engines to efficiently operate under subsonic, transonic, and supersonic conditions. Supercruise will be the default setting. The NGAD fighter will be an air superiority fighter with multi-role capabilities, including serving as a battle manager with top-tier situational awareness. It will combine high speeds, advanced stealth, smart skins, and sensors. Similar to the F-35, it will be able to control the operations of friendly aircraft by keeping them informed of the battlefield situation. The NGAD fighter is expected to enter service in the 2030s. As their name suggests, bombers are aircraft that drop bombs and other explosives. They excel at this task better than any other type of aircraft that carry such armament. The U.S. Air Force takes this capability even further with its fleet of bombers, which can wipe out entire cities or even countries from the global map. Two American bombers in particular stand out above all others. They are Boeing B52 Strat Fortress. The United States, which has the world's largest air force, has always valued the use of powerful bombers. The Boeing B52 Strat Fortress was one of the first bombers to instill this appreciation. The B52 is a jet-powered strategic bomber that has been flying for over 7 decades, proving its invaluable worth every step of the way. With the ability to carry up to 70,000 pounds of ordnance, the B52 is a bomber that never needs to return to base to reload when destroying target areas. The 244-ton bomber is operated by a crew of 5 and powered by 8 Pratt & Whitney TF33 P3103 turbofans, each producing 17,000-pound force of thrust. This power plant gives the bomber a top speed of Mach 0.8, a maximum range of 10,145 miles, and a service ceiling of 50,000 feet. A total of 744 B-52s were built. Rockwell B1 Lancer. Meet the Rockwell B1 Lancer, the only supersonic bomber in the U.S. military. It is the third member of the U.S. Air Force's triad of strategic bombers, alongside the B-52 and another bomber whose name cannot be disclosed yet. The B1 Lancer is a heavy bomber with a variable sweep wing design that combines the Mach 2 speeds of the retired B-58 Hustler with the high payload of the B-52. It was introduced in 1986 and weighs 239 tons. The B1 Lancer is a 4-crew operated bomber powered by 4 General Electric F101 GE102 afterburning turbofan engines. Each engine produces up to 30,780 pound force of thrust, allowing the bomber to reach a supersonic top speed of Mach 1.5 and a service ceiling of 60,000 feet. The B1 Lancer can carry up to 50,000 pounds of ordnance to deal damage to target areas. Only 104 B1s were ever built. B2 Spirit. The B2 Spirit is a 2-crew heavy strategic bomber designed to penetrate dense anti-aircraft defenses and deliver devastating blows to targets. It was built in complete secrecy and is considered a valuable asset. Thanks to its tailless design, radar-absorbent material, and other features, the B2 is currently the stealthiest aircraft in operation. Additionally, it is the only aircraft capable of carrying large air-to-surface standoff weapons without compromising its stealth profile. The bomber has 2 internal bays capable of carrying up to 50,000 pounds of ordnance. This is a significant amount of ordnance for a single aircraft, equivalent to 8,500 lb class bombs, 36 750 lb class bombs, 16 2000 lb Mk-84, or GBU-31 class bombs, multiple precision air-to-surface missiles, and 16 nuclear bombs. B21 Raider. The B21 Raider is the successor to the B2 Spirit, and it is another stealth bomber with a unique design. Northrop Grumman has utilized its 3 decades of experience from the B2 to create a bomber with top-of-the-line stealth and armament capabilities. The Raider's stealth is achieved through aligned edges, serrated skin panels, masked engines, and a flying wing shape, allowing it to penetrate even the toughest defenses. The B-21 Raider, being smaller than the B-2, can carry a maximum of 30,000 pounds of conventional and nuclear weapons, which is still sufficient to destroy entire enemy territories. It is considered the first 6th-generation aircraft to take flight, thanks to its modern technologies, which it did on November 10, 2023. The Air Force plans to purchase at least 100 units of the $630 million aircraft, which is expected to enter service in the 2040s, to replace both the B-1 Lancer and the B-2 Spirit bombers. For 76 years, the U.S. Air Force has been in service. Since its inception, the service has steadily grown into a formidable force. Today, it is the largest and most powerful air force in the world, equipped with fighters and bombers capable of winning wars in minutes. We are confident that you will find our future content just as engaging. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.